Hello guys. Welcome to my tech world.
Hello, lovely people. Welcome to my channel. Hope you are doing okay. So, I think you are okay now in your home. So, get a popcorn and listen to my important topics. So, Samsung has had no equal in the large screen smartphone market due to its Note series. The latter has at least three selling points: large screen, large capacity battery, and stylus support. However, Samsung launched a few folding screen phones that came with way larger screen. Some Galaxy S line model support the S Pen, and the Samsung phone have always boosted of their well-controlled power consumption. So, is there any reason to keep the Note series? When looking at these arguments, Galaxy should cancel the production of new line model. Also note, honestly, we have heard too many rumors concerning this issue, but today Yonhap news agency announced that Samsung Electronics executives said they will not abandon the Galaxy Note series of smartphone. Although the company may not release new model this year, there have been rumors in recent months that Samsung may abandon its Galaxy Note series phones feature the S Pen stylus function and reconfiguration the high-end smartphone lineup through Galaxy Z Foldable phone and Galaxy S terminal device. In January this year, after Samsung launched the Galaxy S21 high-end smartphone that supported the stylus. However, Kon Dong-ji, head of Samsung Electronics IT and mobile communication business, said today that Galaxy Note series products will continue to be released. However, it seems they will skip this year. It can put a lot of pressure on us to release two flagship models supporting the S Pen within a year. So the launch of the new Galaxy Note series may not happen in the second half of this year. So thank you for watching for a video, and I hope you are stay in the home and wearing a mask always. Please do check my video and please stay us for our next bomb topics. So please follow my Instagram page. I will give you a link below in my video. So thank you for watching this video. Take care. Peace out.